Welcome guys, welcome. It's been a while since I made a video. I think the last video was on the Mark IV. I got that from the body shop, and then over the weekend, yesterday, 2 days ago, I ended up getting the remaining parts, which was the trunk, the bumper support, which is like a metal bar, and the grill piece. So everything for the Mark IV has been painted and it's been back, and April is when I'm going to go ahead and start on working on the Mark IV. So in the meantime, as you guys noticed, I got the Mark III on the quick jack. Talk about all that in a little bit. But I want to talk to you guys about side mirror covers. Got a new product, MK1 Motorsport. Made these nice 3D printed color schemed covers for our car. And I believe this is for the right side, possibly. So let me go grab the other one. But guys, check out the website. This is an amazing product, high quality and everything. And if I didn't have the side pods, I would definitely rock these. It's a great product to have. And if you guys are missing the covers that go here, definitely go look at the website and invest one of these. If you guys don't like the color scheme, they do sell the black ones as well. But let me go ahead and install one of these. Do I have this right? Yeah, I think this is the right one. So obviously there's 3 tabs in the back. I don't know if I'm going to be able to install this, but let me try because I don't want to break my wires. That's how I have it ran. But there's 3 tabs, right? 1, 2, and 3. You just got to put these nice little 3 tabs in here. And look at that. Got yourself a nice cover if you're missing on your car. Now, I've actually broke mine because I had an issue with the auto extrude side pot. I was missing these tabs and I had taped to the factory one. And then I ended up having to cut it because I didn't want to take the whole piece out. And so I just cut it, and then I ended up finding out that MK1 Motorsport actually makes those side mirrors for our car. So, guys, you get two of them for each side. It's a nice, look at that. It's nice. It's a great product, high quality. So if you're not, if you don't want the nice color scheme, you can actually do all black as well. And I don't know if they actually have other options as well, but I do know of 2. One full black and one with the stripes. So check them out. Then number 2, I want to talk to you guys about spark plug holder. Now, this is nice to have if you're changing spark plugs often on, cars, if you're working on cars often, and you want to go ahead and gap them and have it ready. So I bought the 12 instead of the 6. They do sell 6 as well. I bought the 12 just because I can lay them out and then keep the other ones, 1, 2, 3, line them up as to 1, 2, all the way to 6. And, if I want to inspect and stuff, I can have it nicely placed on here. Do you really need one of these? I would say yes, absolutely, because it's a nice product, high quality, and it's got the nice little color scheme just like the cover. So check them out. I'll put the link in the description. They're not that expensive, and they do ship out quick, so it's not like you have to wait for a very long time. Nice 3D printed products. Now let's talk about my situation over here. Now, I had a video created and talking about the subframe, and I was not happy about the video. It was 30 minutes long, and the majority of the time, actually the whole time, I was talking about the subframe and didn't show much about how I took it out. So I ended up deleting the video, so hence the reason why there's no video and what the hell is going on here. I dropped the subframe to get pretty much everything redone. The bushings were completely worn out, and I wanted to replace them. I mean, the car is 35 years old. It's 2 years younger than me, so figured it was time to go ahead and replace the rear bushings and have the car completely done for a while and not to be touched. So what I did was I went and dropped the whole subframe with the diff and everything. The reason why the spindles are over there, I'm about to take them apart. The diff got dropped off in Wisconsin over the weekend. Nick Tibbet, he's on Facebook. A lot of people may know him as Piratetip on Supramania. He does rebuilds. So I went ahead and dropped that off with the Rear kit. I did the Stage 2 years ago. I bought that kit from James Ward. And so now that's getting rebuild. So it's just going to be a stock rebuild with the rear kit. And then the subframe is dropped off here locally in Rockford. I have a buddy who's doing a reinforcement on it. And the reason why I'm doing it is because obviously the power I'm making, and you know, these subframes have a tendency to crack a little bit. If you're drag racing or tracking or road racing and stuff like that, they do have a tendency to crack. And obviously due to age, and they're known to crack. So I just wanted to, mine did not crack, but I just want to have it reinforced just so that I don't have to stress about it ever again in the future. And I just wanted to take it apart once. So hence the reason why the subframes dropped off. And then I am also getting the bearings and everything replaced, the studs replaced with the ARPs on the spindle, and then pretty much redo everything. As for the upper control arm, I'm about to take them out and make sure that everything is good. If it seems to a point where I can't save them, because I want to do the poor man's mod on this, put the grease fitting on here and just grease it. But once I take it apart and there's a lot of play, I'm just going to go ahead and spend the money. And there's an Australian company, I believe. I had seen a Facebook post. I'm going to go ahead and just purchase it, do it one time, and be done with it and not have to worry about it. But if there's not a lot of play, seems like already there's play, but we'll see. It all depends on when I take it apart and how it looks. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update. Again, I apologize. I did delete that video. I was not happy about it because I was talking a lot majority of the time how to take the subframe out because I didn't have a proper stand to record the whole process, and then I lost my train of thought. So that's why there's no video. But I did want to make a video on this, talk to you guys about the two products I got from MK1 Motorsport. Do check them out. I'll post a link in the description and for both the items. And then he's also making other items as well. He does have a side pot speaker just like this, but it actually is nicer. It comes out more. It's directly focused on the driver and the passenger too. So check them out. Great products too. Great products that he's been making. And then he just created a new product which goes on that little area. It's like a side pods. It's for the gauges, the 3 gauges pointing towards the driver. If you guys don't want to have gauges here, you can have it pretty much coming from, hanging from that little spot right there. So check out that website. He makes great products, and he's making more great products for our cars for future-wise. If you guys have ideas or looking for new products, do hit him up. He'd be happy to make new products for you guys for our car, obviously. So check him out. And that's about it. That's why I just wanted to make a quick video and talk to you guys about the products and my rear end. And then once I get the subframe back, I'll show you guys how I install it and what needs, what bolts I taken out and all that stuff. So stay tuned for that. All right.